This video is brought to you by Senior Life Simplified. Enjoy the video. Welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring an essential topic, oral health and denture care for seniors. As we age, maintaining good oral hygiene becomes increasingly important, yet also more challenging. Transitioning to dentures is a significant step, and proper care is crucial to ensure they serve you well. Let's start with oral hygiene basics. Brushing twice a day and flossing are still necessary even with dentures to keep your mouth healthy. Use a soft bristle brush to gently clean your gums, tongue, and any remaining natural teeth. Remember to rinse with an antiseptic mouthwash to prevent bacteria buildup and freshen breath. Now let's talk dentures. Handling them with care is vital. When cleaning, fill your sink with water or lay down a towel to prevent breakage if they are accidentally dropped. Remove and rinse your dentures after eating to eliminate food particles and prevent stains. Clean them daily with a mild soap or denture cleaner. Avoid toothpaste as it can be too abrasive. Don't forget to soak them overnight in water or a denture soaking solution to maintain their shape. Periodic checkups with your dentist are essential. They ensure your dentures fit properly and that your mouth remains healthy. Ill-fitting dentures can cause discomfort, sores, and even change the fit over time. Discuss any discomfort, pain, or changes immediately. Nutrition also plays a vital role in oral health. Eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals to support gum health and overall well-being. Limit sugary and acidic foods to prevent oral issues. It's important to stay hydrated too, as dry mouth can increase the risk of gum disease and cavities. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of self-care. A confident smile impacts not just your oral health, but your self-esteem and social life. Taking the time to care for your dentures and oral health can vastly improve your quality of life. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more valuable tips. Stay healthy and keep smiling. This video is brought to you by Senior Life Simplified. Enjoy the video.